County is taking an important step to protect workers, uphold the law, and ensure that businesses that play by the rules are not forced to compete on an uneven playing field with those that do not.
Grocery store sushi is one of the fastest growing food categories, with sales now exceeding $2.5 billion nationwide. Yet the very workers driving that success were denied basic protections under California law.
A brave worker called Employer Rights Center. Some workers in this so-called place of work franchises work 7 days a week, have no lunch breaks, have no rest breaks, and don't even get minimum wage.
Our action alleges they misclassified the sushi chefs doing the day-to-day work as independent contractor franchisees, when in reality, these workers had no meaningful independence at all. We allege that the chefs were not running their own business. Nearly every major decision, from recipes and food quality to schedules to production requirements, was dictated by the parent companies. Despite generating revenue for these companies, workers had to pay for basic business expenses like equipment, ingredients, packaging, uniforms, transportation, and even lossage from spoilage or theft. Many of these costs, along with franchise fees, fines, and mandatory supply purchases, were deducted directly from their earnings.
Our goal is to make San Diego County the best place to live, work, and do business. Today's lawsuit is evidence that there is still work to do, but it is also evidence that we have the tools, the partnerships, and the resolve to meet that challenge.